This is Bigfoot, vlogging his morning routine. This is a Yeti complaining about the cold on a selfie stick. And yes, that's AI soccer players in the Backrooms. These AI selfie vlogs are blowing up right now. They're hilarious and they're stupidly easy to make. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. The selfie vlog look, the character, the voice, and the comedy formula that makes them actually funny. And I'll show you a bunch of finished ones along the way, all free. Stick around, because the little trick that makes these feel like a real vlog instead of an AI clip is the whole thing. First, understand why these work, because it's the whole secret. It's not just a Bigfoot exists, it's the contrast. A giant mythical monster doing the most boring, relatable human things. Bigfoot making his morning coffee. A Yeti complaining that his gym closed. Soccer players in the Backrooms. The funnier the mismatch between the character and the mundane activity, the better it hits. So the comedy formula is simple. Take an unexpected character and have them do something totally normal and relatable, but with a personality. Bigfoot isn't just walking through the forest, he's annoyed that he can't find good Wi-Fi in the forest. That little bit of relatable human frustration coming out of a monster's mouth, that's the joke, every time. And the second thing, it has to feel like a real vlog. That means the selfie stick or arm's length phone angle, looking right into the camera, talking directly to you, like a real vlogger does. That first person, hey guys, welcome back to my channel energy, is what sells the whole bit. It tricks your brain into watching it like an actual influencer's video. So before you make anything, pick two things: an unexpected character and a mundane, relatable situation to put them in. Bigfoot's first day working from home, a Yeti's beach vacation. That combo is the entire format. Let me show you one. Here's Bigfoot morning routine.
Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm gonna try to find some breakfast. Okay, there's a fish right there, watch this.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Quick, subscribe if you want to make stuff like this. I post free AI tutorials every week, and I made a free PDF guide with the prompts and the comedy formula. It's in the description, grab it. Now let's actually build one. Step one is the character and the look, because the selfie vlog style is what makes or breaks it. Design your character first, in a free tool like Gemini, or straight in the video prompt. A realistic Bigfoot, brown fur, expressive face. Keep it consistent by locking a reference, just like always, so your Bigfoot looks the same in every clip and every episode. Do it properly. Generate a portrait, then a 3-view reference sheet, front and both sides, just like designing a real cartoon character. Screenshot the front view and seed it into every clip. That's what keeps your Bigfoot looking like the same Bigfoot across a whole series. But here's the key part, the shot. You have to prompt the selfie vlog framing specifically. Say things like, holding a phone at arm's length, selfie video, looking into the camera, vlog style, slightly shaky handheld. That arm's length, looking at you angle is the entire illusion. Without it, you've just got a monster in a forest. With it, you've got a vlogger. And add the little vlog details that sell realism. The creature's arm holding the phone visible in frame, a slightly wide selfie lens look, natural head movement like they're really filming themselves walking around. You can even prompt for it to look like it's shot on a phone camera. Those tiny touches are what make people do a double take. Nail the selfie framing and half your work is done. Here's a Yeti one.
Hey guys, so as you can see, it is freezing up here again.
Honestly, I've been asking the mountain for Wi-Fi for years. Nothing. Oh, no, no, no! Living the dream. Smash that subscribe.
Now let's generate the actual video. My go-to for this is Google Flow and SnapGen, But honestly, any good AI video tool works, even the free unlimited ones I covered recently. You take your character and prompt the full selfie vlog scene. Realistic Bigfoot holding a phone at arm's length, selfie vlog, walking through a forest, talking to the camera, slightly shaky handheld phone footage. And it generates this creature vlogging like it's totally normal. Now these are usually short clips, so for a full vlog, you chain them, screenshot the last frame, feed it back in, and continue the scene. So Bigfoot walks and talks, then in the next clip he stops to show you something, then reacts. You're building a little vlog sequence out of chained clips. And plan it like an actual vlog, a mini structure. He greets the camera, does the activity, something goes slightly wrong, he reacts. Morning guys, so today I'm trying to catch some breakfast, and then it goes wrong. That tiny arc is what makes it feel like a real vlog with a payoff instead of a random clip. Keep each one short and punchy. These live and die on pacing. Speaking of which, here's the part that makes them actually funny. Give the videos personality, make them funny, choose some good voices, and you are set for success. Anyway, let me show you the football players one.
Guys, I don't know where I am. We were doing keepy uppies, and now we're here. It's been like 3 hours. Same room, no exit, no signal, not even 5G. Wait, what is that? Nope, nope, nope. If this is our last vlog, smash that subscribe.
And once you're posting a vlog a day from your Bigfoot, you'll want it on every platform. TikTok, Shorts, Reels, all of it. And doing that by hand in every size, every day, is hours gone. So repurpose.io fits here perfectly. You publish once, pick where your content comes from and where does it go, and it automatically reformats and pushes your video to every platform on autopilot. So one Bigfoot vlog becomes posts everywhere, hands-free. When you're running a daily character, this is what keeps it sustainable. Links in the description, free to start. All right, let's wrap this up. So that's how you make viral AI selfie vlogs. Pick an unexpected character, nail the selfie vlog look, chain it into a mini vlog, and give it a personality-clashing voice with relatable comedy. All free. Comment which character I should vlog as next. A dragon, a gnome, an alien, your favorite celebrity? Drop it below and I'll make an episode. Grab the free guide with all the prompts in the description, and if you want to see AI make a whole short film, that video's right here. Because we can basically make anyone or anything into an influencer now. Subscribe and let's keep making people laugh.